Hi everyone, back again. So basically I would like to pledge that we agree to unity as a race and as a species, regardless of which species that may be. We agree to unity on earth, in country, in culture, in race, in love and in hate, regardless of good or evil. The balance shall be right for the perfect ability. And no matter who you are, where you are, where you're from, no matter where you are, as long as you love me, and that's one of Boyzone's songs. We could go on all day about the problems we face, the problems we have with other leaders that step up to be higher in the chain than us, or species that are clearly dominating us or proving us to be absolutely stupid, then you will understand that there's always somebody bigger than you, always bigger than you. And it doesn't matter countries or how many lives that you plough through, right, with your lies and with your deception, or with your truth and with your faith. It doesn't matter how many lives you plough through, right? There's always going to be somebody who comes along that's bigger than you. So I raise my hand in honour of my ability to make the right choice that I have made to raise a unified signal to everybody on earth, everybody, regardless of species, and with our fate, we can control our death. And such catastrophic behaviour of the collision of the black holes. But we must unify. Do you understand? We must unify. Otherwise, we're fucked. Love you, Lords.